Hi everyone, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. So quickly, I want to share this recipe with you. I've shared one beans recipe with you guys, but I'm not sure. I wanted to just cook this beans straight, but I remembered no, I've not like shared this particular recipe with you guys. So what I have here is, if you know me by now, you should know that I love fresh tomatoes. So I'm going to be adding fresh tomatoes to these beans. We have our onion, few peppers, then this is sweet corn, I am spring onion, and this is our beans. So quickly, I'm going to be washing the beans off camera. I'll wash with cold water first, and then that cold water is just to remove stuff like dust, or then I'll pour in a pot and perboil. I'll perboil so that the preservatives will go off then before I begin to cook the beans. So this is about 6 to 7 minutes after. I'm going to be turning off the heat now and then wash. So the beans is on fire now. I'm using pressure pot actually so that it will be faster. I'll go ahead to prep the remaining ingredients. I'm going to be blending this, so I just want to make it easier for my blender. Ever since I started using tomatoes for my beans, like I enjoy beans so much. So I'm not bleaching the oil, just to allow it heat up, and then I'll pour the blended tomato and pepper mix. So when the water goes down, I'll season the tomatoes and add our beans and sweet corn. It doesn't take long. So now I'm seasoning little salt. It mustn't be that dry like all the water from the tomatoes. No, it is good this way. So I'm going to be testing for salt. Then I'll pour in our beans. I've tasted, it still needs more salt, so this will go in now. So our corn is entering. See now. You can even eat this thing just this way. Leave the beans and just enjoy the corn. Corn and tomatoes. That will be a good combination. So this is what we'll have. This should be the final step. I did not add crayfish. You can add to your own, it's totally up to you. I don't want to add crayfish, so I'm going to be covering it for some minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes, to cook, to combine very well. And our beans and corn is ready. So guys, here is our beans and corn. It's very sweet, like it's very delicious. In fact, it's sweet. It's sweet corn I use, so it's sweet. It has to be sweet. Please like this video, comment. If you are new here, I am begging. In fact, I'm on my knees begging. Please subscribe now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.